If you're right-handed, but you feel more comfortable holding the yarn in your left hand, then continental knitting is the way to go. The continental knit is the first stitch that I would practice this technique with. It's a little more straightforward than the purl. You'll catch the loop of your next stitch and grab the yarn, pull it through, slide it off. In addition to being easy and more suitable for people holding the yarn with their left hand, the continental knit stitch has other benefits as well. It's one of the knit stitches or knitting techniques where you can knit quite fast once you get the hang of it. Now, opposite of the knit stitch, the purl stitch needs to have the yarn in the front for it to work, but that presents a little more of a tricky situation when knitting the continental purl. So what I like to do is take these two fingers, pull it out of the way so that I can slide the needle through the stitch. I'll wrap it around and knit it off. Pull it down, insert it, wrap it around, purl it off. When you're new to knitting, one hand will clearly feel more comfortable holding the yarn. If it is for your left hand, then continental knitting is the way to go. Be patient as you learn this technique. It does take a little bit of practice to get used to and to build up some speed.